In today's video, we're going over how to connect your Eufy camera to your TV. If you've been wanting to watch your camera feed on a bigger screen or just make monitoring a little easier, this guide has everything you need. Let's get started. First thing to check is whether your TV supports casting or screen mirroring. Most modern smart TVs do, especially if you're using Chromecast, Android TV, Fire TV Stick, or a built-in casting feature. If you're not completely sure, take a quick look through your TV settings and see if there's an option for casting, mirroring, or wireless display. As long as your TV has one of those, you're good to go. Once that's set, open the Eufy security app on your phone. This is where everything begins. Look for the casting icon, usually a small rectangle with a wireless signal in the corner. Tap it and your phone should show a list of available devices. Pick your TV from the list and after a moment, the connection should start. When the link is active, just choose which Eufy camera you want to view. Your live feed will appear right on your TV screen, making it much easier to monitor what's happening without having to stare at your phone. If your TV doesn't support casting directly, you can still do this using a streaming device. Anything like Chromecast, Fire TV Stick, or Roku will work as long as they support mirroring from your phone. Just make sure your phone and the device are on the same Wi-Fi network, then use the exact same steps inside the app. And that's all there is to it. A simple setup that makes your home monitoring a lot more convenient. If this helped you get your Eufy camera working on the big screen, stick around for more quick and easy tech guides.